back again with another video. I was gonna get a cold start in for you guys, but I walked upstairs thinking that I was recording. My battery wasn't in my GoPro. Today, you guys, I'm about to head to a car meet, but first, I need to go wash this car because it rained yesterday. The car looks terrible right now. I'm actually running a little late. It's 8:46 right now and the car meet starts at 9. I just started the car up like a couple minutes ago, or a couple seconds ago really. I'm about to just start heading out. I need to go wash the car real fast, so let's get it. With my boy right now, you know what I'm saying? He pulled up in that S197 thing. I was in Hayward about to wash the car, but my shit wasn't working, so I had to come all the way out here to where the car meet is to wash the car. We still hella late though. It's like 10 o'clock. I was just telling them, bro, I was just telling them. 12. Yeah, it's about the end. No, it ends at 11. Car meet ends at 11. It's 10:09 and I'm just now washing the car. When I last said something, I said that I was gonna go to the car meet and I was already late because it was like 9 o'clock and it starts at 9. But my card wasn't working at the other station, so I had to find another wash station hella fast. This guy's about to move out. We're about to spray this thing down real quick. It's hella dirty. You can see it. As I was on the freeway, a bird just straight up like shit on my car. I'm like, you know what? Today is like not my day today. We're gonna wash it up real quick though.
Hey, man, this street shit ain't no fun. Niggas lost everybody. It ain't even fair no more. The rats be out here catching bodies. We ain't about to throw no hands. You know niggas scared to fight. Ain't no mercy for these niggas, bro. They ain't gonna spare our life, nigga. I just had a son. I just had a cook.
All right, so we got the car nice and clean. We're on our way to the meet right now. I didn't have time to wipe my wheels down, but I was able to get the car clean. Oh, my boy stalled. Pulling up to the meet right now. Looking clean. Man, it's 10:27. We pulled up hella late. See it, we nice and clean. Still got some water drops here and there, but I didn't have time to really wipe it up all the way. My boy stalled out at the light. What?
I know. I was on third.
It was a third gear. Yeah. Hey, you had a fast recovery though. Yeah. So I was scared to get a V8 because I knew if I would have got a V8, I'd stall out on like the first light, like all the way out here. That's the spoiler I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna put a wicker bill on it. It's gonna have a wicker bill, a custom one. Hey, I think it'll be sick.
Those are the best wings for the S50s in my opinion.
Hell yeah.
They're California special ones, huh?
Nah, those are GT500s.
GT500s?
Yeah. The red interior is pretty clean.
Oh, red guts.
Red guts, bro. Jeez. That's what?
That's rare.
Is it really?
For these ones? Yeah. I never seen an S550 with red interior.
I haven't either. It must be like a premium this thing.
Let me show you what makes this car stick, right? So,
This thing is clean.
I know a bitch with a Hellcat that bitch. I smell some oil burning. I seen the oil. Bitch was on nothing, bro.
No oil in it?
None of the little 2 dots had nothing, bro.
Hey, no cap cars can actually ride on no oil for like a cool minute until that motherfucker lock up though. The 4-cylinder thing. Hey, I mean, shit, he got it looking kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie.
3.
He low as hell too. It looked like 18s,
17s?
yeah. 17s? Hey, it looks clean though. Hey, no cap.
That's what before,
you know what?
huh?
You know what the good thing are?
Those
The good thing is,
V6.
I think so. You know what the good thing is about these ones? When you're when you like cut the cats off, they pop hella.
V6s, huh?
They pop hella. Just even when you just do the exhaust, it just burbles so much. Oh, look at my baby over there looking clean. This is what? got the little Batman logo on the bottom.
All right, it's 3. Look, I just
This
need
is
that,
a this
I
is
just
a
need that
roush, bro.
supercharger.
It's wet.
And we good.
Just the supercharger.
That should fit my car, huh?
I think yeah. I think you would have to get a conversion kit for it. Yeah. But it's possible though.
These shoes are still 5.0s, huh?
I think they're 5 point
Roush
something, yeah. This is clean, dude. GC 350. Is that a Coyote? Ooh, wait, what is it?
That's
Dude, this is power.
That's
right
a
here.
LS, no?
No, that's a Coyote.
Is it?
It's a Coyote, yeah. You don't recognize me? It's just a little different,
yeah,
that's all.
New gen one, huh?
Yeah.
With a weird supercharger.
He's got the original shifter in there too. It's pretty clean. I like it.
Oh my man.
This one's wet. The red. Hey, he for sure got something else in there. I don't think that's
That's a mark.
I don't think that's regular right there.
One swap. See how it's 4 sits?
Huh?
You see how it's 4 sits? Lock 1 swap.
We
Look at it good.
Ooh.
Where do you get? Where do you see those little manifolds from?
I don't even Mach 1s, huh? I didn't even notice.
He's sick, huh?
Oh yeah. It was probably a 4-cylinder and he swapped it. Oh yeah, Mach 1. See, he has it on the back
Mach
right
1,
there. That's wet.
Size matter.
Yeah, it does. Hey, you don't see this a lot right here.
Oh, bro. I remember seeing this one at the other meet. It's you. Can you ask?
It's clean.
Seats, bro.
Just got them done.
You know?
Just got them done?
The seats?
The seats.
75 now. Is that the
What is
production
that
number?
on the engine?
I did a cover conversion. Yeah, it's number 75.
That's the production number, right?
Yeah.
It's clean.
I think they made like 400 and something.
Yeah, they didn't make
Oh, and you got
more.
75.
Yeah.
That's so cool, dude.
This is rare.
It's beautiful, man.
Imagine in the 86, mom in one of those.
Hey, no cap, bro.
Mom.
This is wet. I was looking at the spoiler.
Oh, look at the front. Looks like a V, bro.
Dude, honestly, looks clean.
Like a V.
I didn't know they
Stick
made
shit.
these in carbon fiber.
Stick shit,
I was
bro.
looking at the same spoiler. Damn.
You wouldn't do that to you?
Oh. Bro.
Same rims, though?
So with mine, I'm gonna do the white badge.
They're hella pointy, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the white custom badge, and then instead of like going with the same color, I'm gonna go with green. White. I'm gonna go with white.
White.
So we're gonna have white striping, and then same thing with the sides. Yeah, I'm gonna have
That's a Coyote?
white. Yeah, I'm gonna have the white badge though. That's clean though. He got the same wheels I got, the SVD wheels.
My nigga was trying to trade me these wheels for the ones I got on, bro. I should, huh?
Yeah, he's trying to trade you these ones for the ones you got.
Yeah.
If you want some black wheels, then yeah, I'd do it. Cause you can put some fat tires on these, and then with these wheels with spacers on them, look really clean. Hey, he's scraping on everything. I know he is, dude. Yeah, you can tell he's scraping on everything. Look at the bumper. Oh no, this is the GT500 bumper.
It is, huh?
I'm doing the swap ASAP.
That's the
dude.
one you won, right?
Yeah, I'm doing that swap
The
ASAP.
hood too. That's the GT500 one.
The hood is wet.
Huh.
I bet you can't see nothing though. Man, I want another SN, dude. If I wouldn't have sold the S197, I probably would have bought an SN.
My dad got one like that in match.
The Mazda truck? What's in it? Oh, look at it. Gee, looking clean. You don't see these a lot.
It would just spin. It
did not matter.
It's clean. It's in clean condition too. So you built this motor?
My son bought it when he started high school, and he got his license. So he bought it. He drove it in high school, and it was just a regular straight six. And then when
you swapped it.
Yeah. Then after he went to college, graduated, and he said. I called him and I go, hey, what are you gonna do with the Mustang? It's been in my garage. I go, you don't do nothing with it. He's all, why don't you just sell it? He's all, no, I don't want to sell it. I go, okay, well, I'm being made fun of driving down the street in it because it's got a little putt-putt engine in it. He's all,
that's exactly what it sounds like too.
In it, Dad. I go, yeah, let's do it. So
Might
we
as
threw
well.
in a V8. No, we bought it. It's a crate engine.
Okay.
It was already built.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, and we just dropped it.
Because if anything happens to it, then you could just, you know.
You just dropped it in.
Have warranty with it.
The thing is with this is because it was a 6-cylinder, it's all 4 lugs.
Okay.
So we had to
do the conversion.
Do all the conversion. The
5 lug conversion.
Front suspension.
Yeah.
You know, so I might as well. So I put disc brakes in the front and drum in the back.
Okay.
Kept the back rear end the same.
It's a beauty, man. It's a beauty. That's the California special right there. You know what sucks though? So like on the older California specials, like the ones in our year, they actually put like the glass roof on it, which is hella clean. So with it. What's going on, man? Chilling.
Where you at?
I'm over there.
I see you got rims now, huh?
Finally, yeah, and I lowered it as well.
Finally, you just got the car, man.
Doing it hella fast, huh? Everyone says I'm customizing it too fast.
You are. Is it burly? You got the car like a month ago.
Like a week or 2 or 3 ago, I think, like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, you're going. Yeah, you doing pretty good though.
Yeah, that's that overtime, man. That's that overtime.
Yeah, as long as you got a job, it's all good. You feel me?
Yeah. That's clean. Cam, dude. Hey, that low-key hurt my ears, bro. Alright, you guys, so I'm on my way to another car meet. At least I think there's a car meet there. A couple of my boys told me that there's a car meet. So I'm just gonna head over there, and if there isn't a car meet there, then I'm probably just gonna post up and take some clean pictures with my boy and see what we get into. We're on our way right now. Man, I swear, when he pulls up in the S197, I just start missing my S197, man. Cause it's just the feeling of this car. It feels good and all, but it's just not the same. It is cannot compare the two cars, bro, at all. This shit's wet. That sounds so clean. It low-key kind of hurt my ears just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, dude. All right, we just made it to the second meet right now. Me and my boy, we out here. You feel me? We just made it to the second meet at the naval base. We was smashing all the way here. Y'all seen it? We out here. My shit dirty, clean-ish dirty.
Oh, you know.
Sheesh. Where? That's clean, bro. This motherfucker clean, man. Hey, look how you got the subs in here though. That's wet. lineup though with all the stands, bro. Yeah, hey, this motherfucker's clean right here, bro. Hey, look at this color, dude. That's wet. Yes, sir. Cheers. No, yeah, no parking. Hey, this is awesome. Oh, hey, a Viper, bro. Bro. It's clean. He got slapping it too. You got the big boys on the back. Boy. That's wet. That's custom right there, you can tell. All right, you guys, so I just made it back to the crib. That will be it for today. I got 2 different car meets in one video. I didn't even think I was gonna do that. I was honestly gonna go to the first car meet and then I was gonna cut home after that. But it was a pretty good turnout. Both car meets were a pretty good turnout. The first one was hosted by San Jose Mustangs and TPS Motorsports. I'm not sure what the second one was hosted by, but it was pretty cool. It was actually a really good turnout. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and smack that like button. Your boy out. Peace.